Relentlessly pursuing the secret of the dragon, Abel with his stalwart companions Moko and Jonok pushed on towards the tears of the dragon, joined by their valorous new friend, Daisy.
Come on, Moko, you're too far behind!
The eye of the dragon lay just beyond the face of a steep mountain, according to Jonok's recollection of the lost man. Danger and evil Baramos' treachery followed their every step, as our young heroes will continue to learn.
Wow, this is a climb. Did anybody think to pack a lunch? My stomach is growling so loud I can't hear myself drool.
This isn't the time or place to spread a picnic blanket. Just concentrate on getting to the top. We're real vulnerable hanging on the face of a cliff like this.
You need the exercise most of all. I always like a good climb before lunch.
Grab her!
I'll get her! Relax, my dear. You're all right now.
That was careless of me.
Ow!
Ow!
Hey!
Ow!
Relax!
Who you calling
Cut it out!
dear, huh?
What did I do?
Stop it,
Wait,
Bobo.
hey,
You just
stop
put me
that!
back on that
All
one.
right,
Let me
all right,
take my
hey,
chances.
that hurt!
Will you two stop horsing around and get back to climbing this mountain? I'm starving to death and I want to eat something before sundown.
Well, there's a fine how'd you do. I save her plummeting hide and she treats me like a criminal.
Oh, forget it. We're almost at the peak.
I'll forget it if she will.
Are you sure we're in the right place, Jonok?
According to the map, this is it.
Wow, this reminds me of an arena theater in ancient Greece. I studied them in school. Of course, the ancient Greeks didn't fill their theaters with water.
Now think, Abel. If this structure is the eye of the dragon, what is the water?
Well, if that's the eye, then the water is tears. But so what? Why would a dragon be crying?
Perhaps this dragon is crying because he has something in his eye. In this case, an obelisk.
What do you suppose that obelisk in the middle is made of?
From here, it looks like a jewel or a huge crystal. I bet you it's worth a lot.
Anything which influences the destiny of the universe is likely to carry a very high price tag, even if it's sitting on the bottom of a swimming pool shaped like a Greek theater.
Yeah, but I just meant on the open market.
That would be very difficult to estimate.
Let me think about this. If I had a cinder or something stuck in my eye, I'd probably try to get it out, whether I were a dragon or not.
Now you're using your head. The fact that it's in the center of the eye means it's a central player in our riddle. According to legend, the obelisk can be removed only by the young hero who possesses the blue stone. What was that?
What was what?
I could swear I heard something stirring behind us.
If there was something there, we would have seen it.
Perhaps, but it's best not to take anything for granted.
Wait a minute, I'll check this out. These rocks are as solid as a rock. Yikes!
Look at them all.
I fought twice as many flying crocodiles last year. They make pretty good eating. I wonder if these will. Here they come! Whoa! Run! Stop! I want the leader of this pack, not you, small fry! That's the one! No!
Rats. Take this!
Well, what do you know? Yeah.
Are jewels all you ever think about?
Their bellies are their Achilles' heel! Abel, these crabs don't care for water one bit. Go get that obelisk.
Be right there. Isn't stone or crystal. It's polished metal. It must be the key to something powerful. Well, let's see what happens.
My energy's used up.
You're telling me.
The obelisk is the key to their destruction. Mark my words. I'll catch you! It's going to be one of those days. Gotcha!
Thanks, Chanak.
What's that huge noise?
Sounds like a tidal wave. Water's blasting out the whole side of the mountain.
We've done it, Abel. Those are the tears of the dragon.
Doesn't that dragon realize there's a drought?
Look at that!
Another mystic guide.
And not just any mystic guide. That's another fragment of the dragon legend. And it contains the next clue to our journey. According to this tablet, you must voyage to the Tofu continent to find the wings of the dragon.
We'll need a boat.
It'll take that boy a full month to get to Tofu and find the wings of the dragon. That means another month before I acquire the blue stone. I will not be put off.
Jonak, I don't understand why every step has to be so difficult.
Challenges far greater than these will you face in the days to come. You must use them as opportunities to help you grow in strength, courage, and wisdom, my young warrior. Now what?
It's Gale.
He's a brave boy, this Abel, but he's still impulsive and headstrong. I shall turn his own bravery against him and use his strengths to further my own ends.
We just happen to have the perfect bait to lure him here to the ship, don't we?
Yes, unfortunately the young fool is still ignorant of the power of the blue stone in his possession. We need only to place that girl just beyond his grasp, and he'll as much as deliver the blue stone to me on a platter. But we must be wary. He has been in contact with the tears of the dragon. Their power is unpredictable.
I shall order the craft to approach them.
Jonak, get me there, so I can jump aboard Gale. We're coming, Tiala!
Have a seat.
Yeah. Oh no.
Has a problem, has a problem.
Yeah! Guess what? My friend Abel has come to rescue me. Abel! Where are you? Can you hear me? Abel! Please, help! Abel! I'm all right! They don't mean to harm me! Can you hear me?
The dragon's tears are dissolving the skin.
What a dirty trick.
This is getting to be a nuisance.
I'll get you, Baramos! Someday I'll send you back to the bottom of the pit that spawned you! Keep your courage, Tiala!
Where are you? Abel! Are you there? Abel! Now you must be brave, Coco. At least we know he's nearby and trying to rescue us.
I failed again. I failed to rescue Tiala.
You will have many opportunities to rescue Tiala before journey's end. Learn to be patient.
How can you talk about patience? My best friend is in there!
I refer to patience because you have no alternative.
Patience could be the warrior's most valuable weapon. Abel, take it from me.
What course of action do you recommend, Jonak?
Follow the path of the legend.
Then let's find the harbor.
And perhaps find a pleasant diversion.
I wonder where I could find a magic basket like Jonok's.
Do me a favor, Moko.
Huh?
Carry this into town. I've got a plan.
Why? What good is this thing?
I'm gonna look for somebody to buy it from us. If I get a good price for it, I'll take you to lunch any place you want to go.
How about that? A gourmet lunch at last.
So this is the picturesque seaside resort town of Myla Port, huh? Brother, what a mess.
The water's so bad, it's rotting the boats and killing the fish.
This is a resort town?
Who'd vacation in this dump?
It wasn't always like this.
No, this is the product of pollution.
The work of Baramos?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like we got here in time for the going out of business sale. You suppose there's anything we'd want?
I'm gonna look for a ship.
I'll come along.
They never invite me on the important stuff.
Never mind them. We got our own business to attend to. Let's go find a buyer for that silver.
Aye, is it soup yet?
Good day, sir. Make us an offer on that.
What is it?
Acquired at great risk. It's a trophy from the Eye of the Dragon.
There's no serial number on it.
Of course there's no serial number. There's no other piece like it.
Well, I think I can give you...
How much?
about 20 gleeks.
Saddle robbery, mister! That thing is a priceless artifact!
Just my point. You said it was a one-of-a-kind item, right? I know I've never seen one before, so I can't estimate its worth. I figure at 20 gleeks, I'm doing you a favor.
20.
Leaks.
What an unsavory-looking bunch of characters. What do these people do, you suppose?
Thug, robber, bandit, actor, banker, lawyer. I wouldn't trust any of these people as far as I can throw a piano, I'll tell you that, my friend.
Hey, you want to buy tickets for the bullfights?
Yeah!
No! Come now,
No,
Abel.
I'm
As
not.
long as we're in town, we may as well take advantage of the local
Really
amusement.
exciting.
I don't approve of bullfights.
I never considered the bull side of it.
This place sure is creepy.
Sorry, sir.
What's the problem? My pouch!
Uh-oh.
Come back!
All right. Take your lousy pouch back. Whatever you got in there, I don't want it that bad. Sucker!
Kerr! My most precious keepsake.
Help! Somebody! No, please, let me alone. What do you want?
I'm sure your father would trade one of his boats for
Let
you.
me go! My father will never barter with a pack of scurvy dogs like you bandits.
He will if I have my way, and I will have my way.
Hey! I'm getting real fed up with this little visit. I say we show our little missy here who she's talking to and be done with her one way or another. What do you say?
Won't help you.
That doesn't look very fair.
Mind your own business, pal. This here's a private meeting. Get it?
You hard of hearing, Buster? Take off or somebody can get hurt. Yeah.
Help me, please. Mister, make them let me go. They want to hold me for ransom. They're gonna hurt me. Help! He's holding me for ransom. Help me get free! You mustn't fail me, Abel. Where are you? Do something!
Hey, dummy, don't you know nobody likes a busybody?
Let her go now, if you want to live.
You heard the nice man.
Beat it.
Thanks a lot, mister.
My pleasure.
Now you're in for it.
Use these challenges as opportunities to help you grow in strength, courage, and wisdom, my young warrior.
I give you my word as a warrior. I will rescue you and vanquish Baramos and his evil from the face of the planet. We'll be united again, Tiala, no matter what dangers may await me.